There are two large. Is it camouflages itself when danger approaches. A spider distinguishes the branch. The spider has no power of. So does it get the idea of camouflage by mimicking the branch? Such examples are not limited to spiders. For example, there is an insect hidden among these leaves. Look carefully. Between the insect's body and a leaf. Everything is flawlessly created on the insect's body, from the shape of the leaf right down to its veins. There is an insect in these leaves. Let us try to find it. A perfectly camouflaged insect. Almost impossible to see. Mix down to the tiniest detail, such as a of rot on it. And here is another insect looking exactly like a torn leaf. Let's see the design of the camouflage on these animals. These insects have no power. They have to disguise themselves as leaves in order to draw their. Who consciously planned designs on the insects? No doubt that the design of the creator who brought the insects in. It is well known that Darwin's theory of evolution claims that all living things are the work of chance. However, leaf design on the wings of tiny insects is sufficient that living things are the work of the Creator, not chance. If an artist sets out to draw a leaf, he can make it realistic to a degree. But this is drawing. Perfect, functional leaf placed upon the insect's body. Allah, of all the world, created this creature to such a wonderful design, and so reveals to us His art and might. This thing swinging on a branch first dry leaf. However, it is no such thing. It is a cocoon. Thanks to this perfect camouflage given to it by Allah, the cocoon can complete its development without being seen by has no sense and can start life as a new butterfly. at a blanket. In fact, an image at all. There is another color and shape. This with its wonderful camouflage. Of course, the mantis is not planned to similar color, shape, and design of both the mantis and the flower. The crystal shows us his art. As in the Quran, is the Almighty Creator. This white spot is of the white part of the flower. In this way, from the point of view of a butterfly that lands in the spider looks just like part of the flower's leaves. The spider is so camouflaged that sometimes its prey will even land on